Performance here, your dyno tuner on the dyno. Today is a 427 Windsor. Just got done making a little over 600 horse, and this thing's a beast. It's got a sniper on here, hyperspark distributor, dart block, AFR heads, runs great, performs great. It's got an Edelbrock intake on here. If you have any questions about any of our packages, we do Alpha the Godzilla now. Do not hesitate to give us a call. We want to power your hot rod. 1-800-267-3940. Hey Jeff, got your Cobra kit car here. Happens to be one of our 427 Windsors. Got your EFI system on here. We're going to fire it up, give you a run demo. Running up on idle here.